is to describe how to collect zip codes and export them by county-based territory. You can see on my map I've created two county-based territories. In order to grab all of the zip code in each territory, you need to get the data set, which I have here on my desktop, on my map desktop here, of zip codes, point zip codes. And so what you do is you go to the data set function, click next, go down to public data, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and click the latest zip code data set, which has got every single zip code in there. Click plot. When you do that, you're going to get this layer on the map. I actually made the dots a little smaller. They'll come in pretty big when you see them, but you'll see all of the zip codes are now represented on the map as a point layer. That includes point and boundary zip codes. With that function set, what you need to do is go to the data window view, and like I had said originally, we go to the county layer, and we're going to add under choose columns. You're going to go to the data layer here, where you can add the zip5 code function from left to right. You'll find that it's here at the bottom. Bring it over to the right, set the data columns. Then with this function set up, I actually have it filtered so that the results will show up just those two territories. You won't need to do the filtering because you've got territories all over the country. Export. Click this segment data records by a territory. Territory layers, pick territories, click next. When you do this, save the file. Make sure that you save it. I think I put counties filtered territory, and I put the .xls in there like that. Click save. The data's been exported. And then what you'll find is when you go to the Excel spreadsheet, you've got a list of the names of your territories. I guess that's right here. So there's my territory list, and you can see I have multiple territory 2s, each one associated with that zip code. So you can play with your spreadsheet and get it set up exactly the way you want to in terms of how you sort the data. But it'll give you a list of all those zip codes associated with each one of those territories. And in my data set, it's not that big. I've only got 2 territories. So the list of zip codes is only 28 records, 27 records long. Yours would be more significant. Thanks.